Hi friends, Miss Darla here, and today we're going to be making our very own bottle rockets. To make your own bottle rocket, you're going to need a plastic bottle of some kind, or a 2-liter bottle, white vinegar, baking soda, duct tape, pencils, and a cork. Now you need to make the actual bottle rocket. So to do this, you need to go ahead and tape your 3 pencils to your bottle and making sure that the pencils extend past the opening. Then this would be a good opportunity to make sure your cork fits. Then you will need to make sure that your structure is working and that your bottle stands on its own. Next, using a funnel of some type, I used a plastic one, but you can use a paper one as well. Go ahead and put in 12 tablespoons of vinegar. I am doing a 12-to-1 ratio, so for every 12 tablespoons of vinegar, I will put in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, I am going to create a slow release packet using baking soda and a single square of toilet paper. I chose this method instead of just pouring the baking soda in because it will give me more time to get away from the bottle to be at a safe distance. To do this, I will put 1 tablespoon of baking soda in the center of the square. Then, I will go ahead and just fold it up into a little packet, being sure to gently wrap it and gently twist it closed to keep the baking soda contained. Then it's time to fire off our bottle rocket. Make sure that you go out to an outside space with plenty of room. Gently place your baking soda packet into the bottle, making sure that none of the baking soda escapes. Quickly put the cork in the bottle and flip the bottle over so that the cork faces down. Then, get out of the way. This is when I realized that the power of the baking soda and vinegar mixed together was not captured well enough, so I tried to get a better angle. And this second test made me realize why you should not do this around power lines. This is only one way to do this test. You can make a bottle rocket out of smaller bottles. You can make them out of bigger bottles. Would it be more powerful if you were instead to add vinegar to baking soda rather than baking soda to vinegar? What if you changed your bottle? What if you didn't use a cork? What modifications could you use on your rocket to make it more powerful? Would you add more baking soda and less vinegar? Or would you add more vinegar and less baking soda? There's no one singular correct way to do this experiment. So with that being said, how would you make your own bottle rocket?